Hi guys, I'm going to share with you a three main website, and that website you should know. First website is myheritage.com. Follow this website. Upload your photo. I uploaded this photo and I created animations like this. If you have any old pictures, if you want to colorize your photo, enhance your photo and animate your photo, you can use this option. Second website, synthesia.io. Follow this website. Here you can create a free AI video and click this. Here is just mention select the video template and add your video and script you can write, and then you can watch your video. Follow this website unscreen.com, and through this website you can change your video background. I uploaded one clip here and just have a look how to change. There is options, image, we can change the image, color if we want to change, add any color, we can add even a video. I'm going to change this video, and this one is look like this. Yes, his hair is